Okay, so at idle, this is the way it sounds. Can't really hear the tick. You rev it, and you hear it. I think it's probably valve train related. Maybe if we run it long enough, the lifter will free up. We'll see.